we are at the entrance for Wildwood Grove. Gonna walk underneath one of these logs. This is the log that Rebecca, when she was running through the forest, she got lost and she went underneath the log and she ran into Wildwood Grove. Till and Harvest, the new restaurant, coming soon. Official opening date, May 31st. We'll have assorted Mexican items, outdoor covered seating area, pretty nice. Oh, Thunderhead! There's the Wildwood Grove. Oh, Drop Tower, Wildwood Grove sign. What? Of course, we ride over here from the entrance to Mystery Mine. You can see Wild Eagle. Love those rides. Come to our very first thing, the Treetop Tower. Some of you guys remember this ride, what it looks like. Getting those little buckets, they go up and down. Looks like we're gonna have show times over here. Oh, they're gonna have live entertainment throughout the park.
That came here this morning. So that's real.
And if you guys look everywhere, all of those, that's all seating. So all that is seating, and of course they put in over $1 million in shrubbery. So once all this grows in, it's gonna be all completely covered in. Really nice. More seating everywhere you go. There'll be a walk-up window over here. So if you want to do quick service on the outside, they're gonna have an ice cream parlor, which is nice. Excited for that. For all the Dollywood, Taylor Swift fans, awesome butterfly opportunity to take your photo. Totally worth it. Already did that. This is a wave swinger. That thing right there, the leaf at the top, that's the actual state flower of Tennessee. Woo! Everyone loves a good giant tree swing. So much fun.
And his party does. My party doesn't.
See, look at that. Every single wall. Sit down, relax, look at all of that. Gorgeous kindness.
Yeah.
Even the outside right there. So families can sit there, they can ride with their children, they can sit and watch. Grandparents can have a good... Every single one of their attractions inside the queue line will actually have big fans and heaters to try to keep a moderate temperature year round. There is a dragon flyer. Woo! Main roller coaster attraction. Family ride, everyone can ride together.
You guys have these pictures with flutters. Oh no! I just have
Wildwood River. All built in and cleared by the park, specifically for this. It does lead all the way down to the Wildwood Springs, so kids can come over here and play. Full-on interactive. Kids are going to be here getting wet, soaked, everything.
Yeah, they can play music over there.
Play music.
Dolly's partial.
You want? We come over here to Black Bear Trail.
That's right in the park.
Bouncing, bumbling.
Top 4.
Black bears. They bob along the track. Of course, we have our Mountain Grove merchants. Come in and get some really awesome Wildwood Grove merchandise. Everything is really gorgeous. The magnet is beautiful. All for kids, adults, keepsakes, jewelry. Have a full walkthrough in the other video. Make sure to check it out if you're interested. Frogs and fireflies, nice little bouncing. Oh look, we actually have...
You thought we could ride rides? I was like, let's do it. She too. Oh my gosh. Is it fun? Oh,
see, look.
Oh my gosh.
That big building right there, if you notice, it's made to blend in with the Smoky Mountains. My camera wants to zoom, there we go. See, got the Smoky Mountains painted on the side. Isn't that beautiful? That's the indoor kids play place area. It's open, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll take you on that. I forgot the big like feature. I'm so sorry. Hello. I'm slacking again.
And hollow.
But if you can still
There's the Dragonflyer, Thunderhead.
That's a rock your world though.
The Mad Cricket? Yes. Hidden Hollow. So if you get too hot, it's raining, maybe it's too cold. Split like a butterfly into Hidden Hollow. Oh yeah. Oh. Wow, look at that coloring. The lights. Yes, you see an adult in there, that is accurate. Kids and adults everywhere in Wildwood Grove, kids and adults can play together and interact together. It's not just about mom and dad sitting on the sidelines watching their kids play. And look at those lights. Look how beautiful they are. Wow, this looks really good. But of course, if you want to relax or just get out of the rain. And there's going to be a meet and greet area for some of the entertainment characters.
I managed to get out of the picture. I was trying to get one of them.
So that was the Hidden Hollow. Mad Mockingbird. Woo!
Hey, look at me. Come on. Hey, what's up?
There's our official smoking / vaping area over there.
Did you want that?
Major, amazing restrooms.
It's kind of again, but I mean, I'm pretending we just had fun in the little play area.
It's cool in there too,
I don't
isn't
remember the
it?
name of these places.
And now here we are at the Piece de Resistance Dragonflyer. There's actually a height maximum and a test rider seat out front, just like any theme park in the world. Feel the fans. Oh, fans. Feels so good. So good. So good. So good. Woo! Say hello. I'm good. Are you still running?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome.
Pretty much sit wherever you like.
Perfect. I like it. Thank you. Employees are super friendly here. Not a long of a line. So guess what? I'm going to head up to the front. Fortunately, today they're not allowing on-ride video. If we do get on-ride video, we will post another video. Check the Behind the Thrills page for more information. Say hi. Hi. Are you excited to ride this? Have you ridden it before? Awesome. Oh, look. We got awesome people in the front. Look at these awesome people. Hi. See, like I said, it's for parents, adults, grandparents. Look at that. You look so thrilled to be there.
Lack of sleep.
I understand that. I understand that. Have fun.
Not posting this anywhere.
I won't. So, I gotta say, just got off Dragonflyer, was in the front row. Lots of fun. Of course, the Thunderhead. Oh. Wildwood Grove now open. Come over and see it.
Still hospitality wise, so I love it.
Right.